heard a conch shell. Did you hear a conch shell, Nana? Did you guys hear the conch shell? Did you guys hear somebody blowing a shell? Looks like Grandpa found his friends, huh?
That sounds more like an other people.
We started a trend.
I don't think that's them.
I think those were horns instead of conch shells.
Those were horns. It sounded like a.
No, that was a conch, but I don't think it was them.
Oh, wait, a different conch shell posse? Let's hear you blow it anyway, Grandpa. Kids just completely focused on the candy.
No, I'm focused on that boat.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Not eating.
Yeah, how was that?